How to add and verify Google Analytics in Big Studio. To do that, let's head over right here and scroll on onto our left sidebar until you can see this analytics. So for this one, you can head over and go right here to overviews and you can see in here some options. So let's just head over to the actual analytics and it will show us the highlights for this one. So it will show you your visitors, traffic sources, and a lot more. So if you want to add Google Analytics on this, you can head over right here first to your actual site and mobile app, and then head over and then look for the actual bio or the Wix store. Now onto your Wix store, search in here for Google Analytics. So let's search in here for that. Now from in there, once you're done searching, you should be able to see in here the Google Analytics. If you can find it right here into your app market, you can also install it manually. Just head over right here to the new tab and search in here for Google Analytics. So let's search in here for that. And then you can head over to the Analytics homepage right here. And then you can add your website. Just look onto this choose your path. Or you can also just directly go to the Analytics if you would want. Now enter analytics, just click on this all accounts. And then we can try adding another account for this one. So for example, you can head over and then go right here to this tag manager, or you can also head over right here to their settings and then account page. If you would want, you can also click on this accounts page option and then you can add from there. Click onto this create account. Then just name this. I'll name this site 6. Then just choosing here the country. For example, let's choose in here United States. And then input right here the container setup. So let's choose in here web. And then let's get the actual site or the actual URL of our site right here onto our homepage. So here's our site. Just add it right here into the container setup. Now that we have added this, just click on this create option. Click on yes. And then this will be created. Now, once it's created, it will actually appear right here now, the tag manager. Just head over and then copy this and add this to your website in order to verify the installation and addition of Google Analytics. So that's how you add and verify Google Analytics in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.